Beat is automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky, fresh. My body so melodic. This beat goes right through my chest. Everybody, my body.
Hey guys, Girl here, back on the video. Today's video, I'm teaching you guys how to make a 3D audio on kinemaster. Anyways, let's get started. So, background, I'm making my own background. So I'm gonna do layer, media, and I'm gonna do this. So you can make it as big as you want. So I think that's yeah, that's good. So anyways, so however long your audio is going to be is how long you're gonna. And by the way, make sure it's a video, and you'll see why in a minute. Okay, so my video is most likely going to be 15 seconds long, because that's normally how long my videos are. Media. Normally my videos are in chat, so let me find me a video. Oh, not that one. I'll be right when I find one. So anyways, I found my thing and I'm just gonna move it down. Anyways, also you have to do this and then make sure the fade out is 0. So anyways, with this you have to do this, extract audio and do it twice. So anyways, then what you're gonna do is go here, compressor, turn that on, and make the first one, make sure they're both right 100%, well plus 100, same thing with this side but both left, and then press check. So then this first one will be like this, 100, and then boop, and then I think this might be good enough. The phone's ringing. 1 second. It's my grandma's phone. Oh, okay. Anyways, actually, I think I can, get rid of that last one and make it right here at this other 5. Anyways, then I go to 4. And then this is where, at the 9, and then at the 11, 13 probably is what would be best, and then basically 15. And then so right here, then we do pretty much the same thing. Hold up, I'm already losing it. Let me see where I put it at again. Alright, check. Anyways, so we're gonna do the same thing here, but for the first part we're gonna start at 0, I think. Yeah, I'm struggling. Yeah, okay. Anyways, so first part 0, and then over here 100, and then this should be it. No. Anyways, boop. I think this is where it's at. I'm losing it already. Yes? Hold up. So anyways, I took a photo to remember where I had the stuff set up at. So anyways, then I had to take the underscore right here. So basically you do the opposite. So okay, so let's say the first one right here at this area, it was at the ground. Well, then this one would be at the top. And I'm just going between 100 and not 100. Only because I want to 0. And then it's hard to explain, but hopefully you guys will get it. Underscore 3, and then 552. Oop. Then 4. Oh yeah, this was at 9. And then I did 11. And then I did 13. And then 15, the last one. So let me listen to it really quickly. Okay, so if you want to listen to it, I'm gonna post it at the end, and you have to listen to it with headphones. So I made it. It's not like, people have theirs closer together, back and forth, back and forth. This is hard to explain, but yeah, I hope you can learn from this video on how to do 3D audios. So yeah, this is the background I have, but I could have just did this and left it at this. Move it up, move it on up, and then just change the background. So like a different color, like this. Make it bright. Ooh. Oh, heck no. Let me just get out of that. Alright. Anyways, yeah. And then I'm bored, so I'm doing overlay because A12. Let's move the overlay. I'm bored, so this is what I'm doing. You don't have to watch this video anymore. You can leave. Anyways, then I'm doing this next. Bank this straight in. Okay, make this as big as possible. Check. Now make this the whole video. Okay, sorry, you can leave now. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys subscribe and comment down below. I'm about to fast forward this, and I'm also about to put the finishing touch at the end. So do.
So you don't gotta worry about me. You made it clear that you're unhappy. Yeah, go